A snail fell into a hole that is 10 meters deep. Every day it would climb 3 meters up, but then it would fall 2 meters down while sleeping during the night. After how many days would the snail climb out of the hole? Solution: depth of the hole is equal to 10 meters. The depth the snail climbs up during the day is equal to 3 meters. The depth it falls down at night is equal to 2 meters. Therefore, the total depth it covers by the end of one complete day, including night, is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 meter. Hence, after 7 complete days it will climb up 7 meters. The next day it will climb up. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 meters. Notice that it does not slip down because it has already come out of the hole before the night starts. Therefore, the snail takes 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 days to climb out of the hole.